Hello, my name is Dr. Trent Ping. I'm a chiropractor, but also a PhD candidate at the University of Texas Health Science Center, right here in Austin, Texas. Uh, Hence the orange and white scrubs. Anyways, Dr. Pullman asked me to briefly describe a study I recently completed and now in the process of being published because it related to children and chiropractic. The title of my study was Utilization of Chiropractic Care in U.S. Children and Adolescents, data from the 2012 National Health Interview Survey. The reason I conducted a study like this is that even though we have plenty of studies and data on utilization of chiropractic and the effectiveness of chiropractic, we don't have the similar data in children. In fact, the most recent publication I could find was in 2007, so it definitely requires an update. An additional aim in my study is that I want to see among these chiropractic users in this population, what is the demographic makeup and what is the clinical use pattern. So that's my secondary aim of the study. So the reason I'm using the National Health Interview Survey is because this is a survey that's conducted by the CDC yearly. It's a very good survey because you use a very complex survey design to ensure that the sample is a accurate representation of the diverse U.S. population. And they also have a very large sample size each year. And to determine whether one is a chiropractic user or not, we use the following variable. The variable involves a survey question that asks, for the past 12 months, has your child received manipulation? And secondly, by a chiropractor. So the ones that answer yes to both questions are qualified as chiropractic users. We also ask covariate questions such as age, sex, race, ethnicity, family income, education, and the region where they live in, and also clinical use patterns such as whether they use MD as a primary care provider and whether they use other complementary alternative or CAM practitioners. And the results from the 9,734 participants sampled are that the utilization for chiropractic is about 3.0 or 3%. And out of those chiropractic users, they have a higher odds of being between the age of 12 and 17, so older children, and also being white, female, although that's not statistically significant, and of higher family income, and also in terms of clinical use, they have a higher odds, much higher odds of using other CAM practitioners. So this is a very interesting study result findings because now we know what the utilization is like. And there's some implications from this study as well. So this is the 3% is our utilization from the 2012 data. So whether we need to perhaps integrate with other CAM practitioners, or we have a foster a referral relationship with them, or do we need to promote chiropractic care for minorities population, since this study indicates that the chiropractic users are mostly white, and these are all things that can be discussed. My next project, what I plan to do is perhaps look at trends, or we compare among the years that we have the data on children and complementary alternative medicine and chiropractic use. Or we can look at the expenditure data to see how much we spend as a nation on chiropractic care for children. So that's it from me. enjoy the rest of the conference. I will be there on Saturday. If you happen to see me, have a question, don't hesitate to grab me. So thank you for listening.